There are just a few things I think we need to summarize that you can take away from this training that are very important concepts, and I'd like to just take a couple of minutes to run through them. First one is we follow the what? The law.
You speak into the microphone. That's the first one.
Another one, important one, is after the legislature goes home at the end of the legislative session, where do you go to find a summary of the property tax legislation that was passed during the session? Go to our webpage. It'll be right on our webpage on the front page of our the home site. Okay. Pardon?
How long before it's posted?
Well, it usually takes a couple of weeks to write the summary because we write it and we have an attorney look at it to make sure that everything is correct because it's on our webpage. We don't want incorrect information being out there, and we want you to be able to count on that summary in your administration of the new property tax laws. Okay. When working with exemptions, when in doubt, what do you do? Tax. Okay. The exemption that became effective this year is what?
Education.
The part-year residential exemption. Yes. The basic formula for tax rates is what?
2 times 3 is 6.
There you go. Value times tax equals the revenue. Okay. Now we exempt what and we abate what? What do we exempt?
Value.
Value and abate taxes. Yes. Okay. When you want to increase taxes, what do you go through? What do you have to go through? Truth in taxation. Property tax are levied by and distributed to whom? Taxing entities. Property tax are billed and collected by tax areas. Good. Okay. This is a key factor, and I will end with it. Working in the property tax system, our capacities are enhanced and our possibilities are expanded through what? Remember the 4 things we talked about?
Teamwork.
Team cooperation, coordination, integration, and what's the 4th one? Timeliness. Good. Good. And finally, you have friends where? Very good. And call us when you have problems or issues or concerns, and we can help you because that's our job. Okay. Are there any questions that you want to ask before I say my final thought? No questions? Okay. Alone, we may stumble. Together, we may stand. But working together and being united, we will succeed. And I'd like you to remember that, and I will leave you with that thought. And we thank you and appreciate your patience, your participation, and most of all, thank you for attending our training session.